Training a model in AI. Training a model in AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence. AI. Systems learn patterns from data to make predictions or decisions. The process of teaching an AI system using data is called model training. Training a model is one of the most important steps in machine learning and artificial intelligence development. During training, the model studies examples from a dataset and adjusts its internal parameters to improve predictions. Once the training process is complete, the model can analyze new data and produce predictions. What is model training? Model training is the process of teaching a machine learning algorithm to recognize patterns in data. In simple words, model training equals learning from data to make predictions. Example concept. Training dataset means learning algorithm means trained model. The algorithm analyzes input data and gradually improves its predictions. Example of model training. Consider predicting whether a student will pass an exam. Dataset. Study hours result. 2 fail. 4 pass. 6 pass. Example concept. Training data means model learns pattern means pass-fail prediction. The model learns that more study hours increase the chance of passing. Steps in training a model. Training an AI model usually follows several steps. Step 1. Data collection. The first step is gathering data for training. Examples: images, text, numerical data, sensor readings. Example concept. Data sources means collected dataset. More relevant data often leads to better model performance. Step 2. Data preprocessing. Raw data often needs to be cleaned and prepared. Common preprocessing tasks include removing missing values, normalizing numerical values, encoding categorical variables, cleaning incorrect records. Example concept. Raw data means preprocessing means training dataset. Clean data improves the model's ability to learn patterns. Step 3. Selecting a model. The next step is choosing a machine learning algorithm. Examples include linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, k-nearest neighbors, neural networks. Example concept. Training dataset means selected algorithm means learning process. Different problems require different models. Step 4. Training the model. During training, the algorithm analyzes the dataset and adjusts its internal parameters. Example concept. Input features means algorithm learning means improved predictions. The goal is to minimize prediction error. Step 5. Model evaluation. After training, the model must be evaluated. This is done using testing data. Example concept. Trained model means test dataset means performance evaluation. Common evaluation metrics include accuracy, precision, recall, mean squared error. Step 6. Model improvement. If performance is not satisfactory, developers improve the model by tuning parameters, adding more data, adjusting model complexity. Example concept. Model evaluation means adjustments means improved model. This process is called model optimization. Training versus prediction. Once training is complete, the model can make predictions. Example concept. Training phase means learning patterns. Prediction phase means applying learned knowledge. The trained model can now analyze new unseen data. Example Python code. Example machine learning model training using Python. From sklearn. Linear_model import linear regression. Model equals linear regression. Model.fit. X_train. Y_train. Here, fit trains the model using the training dataset. Machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch provide tools for training models. Machine learning training workflow. Typical machine learning workflow. Dataset means preprocessing means model training means evaluation means predictions. This workflow is used in most AI projects. Real-world applications. Model training is used in many AI systems. Image recognition. Training models to recognize objects in images. Spam detection. Training models to identify spam emails. Healthcare AI. Training models to detect diseases from medical data. Recommendation systems. Training models to suggest movies, products, or music. Concepts learned from model training. Understanding model training helps beginners learn. Checkmark how AI systems learn patterns. Checkmark how machine learning algorithms improve predictions. Checkmark how datasets are used to build intelligent models. Model training is a core concept in machine learning and AI development. Simple definition. Model training. The process of teaching a machine learning algorithm to learn patterns from data so it can make predictions. Final summary. Training a model is one of the most important steps in artificial intelligence and machine learning. During training, algorithms analyze datasets to learn relationships between input features and outputs. The training process typically includes data collection, preprocessing, selecting an algorithm, training the model, evaluating performance, and improving the model. Once trained, the model can make predictions on new data. Understanding model training is essential for learning machine learning, data science, and artificial intelligence.